Welcome everyone. In order to use the camera button in your iPhone Air, let's first of all set it up by opening up settings. Then scroll all the way down until you see camera, and then choose the camera control option. Inside of here, to open up camera app, you can choose a single click of this button or double click. The next thing is you're going to see camera adjustments. For some people this is off. I'd recommend you turn this one on. And then if you have the launch visual intelligence option, you want to turn on press and hold. If this does not show, you want this to show. So to fix it not showing, just head into Apple Intelligence option and just make sure Apple Intelligence is on. If for whatever reason you can't turn this one on, then you can't use the visual intelligence feature that I'll cover later on in the video, but you can use everything else. So in order to launch the camera app, just click this button once, so a click release, and you can see it will open the camera app. Now, instead of doing a full-on click like this, which will take a picture like that, what you can do is just a light tap. So just rest your finger and just press very lightly, and you can see it will show camera options. And when this loads, you can slide your finger to the right or the left to change whatever options there are. So at the moment it's showing the camera zoom. If I want to change, which option to switch, just do a light double tap. So don't click it, just a light double tap. And then you can see we have all these different options. And then to just select them, just do a light tap once and then repeat with that slide to change. Now, if we want to use that visual intelligence, which requires the Apple Intelligence option to be turned on, just long press this button, just long press it, and then once it opens up the camera, release. Now it's saying it's downloading support, so I'm just going to wait for this to download. If you also see this, just go into settings and just wait maybe 5 or 10 minutes while your iPhone is plugged in, and then it should download the support files. And there we go, we have the visual intelligence, and we can tap on continue. So how this works is you can take a picture using the camera button or using the camera control. And then once you take a picture, you can use search, which will use Google reverse search to find matches of the image. And then you can also tap ask, and then it will ask ChatGPT what that image is. You can also just do a circle with your hands and then swipe up, and then we'll continue to allow access, and then you will get that same results of Google, and it will show you what you saw. So that is the camera control. Real quick, if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. And that's because YouTube do not promote my videos like they used to. So any engagement you can add to this video really helps me out. If you did not find this video useful, leave any comment, any question, any concerns in the comment section. I will try my best to get back to you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.